Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Blackbaud Razor's Edge NXT as a beginner. Alright, let's begin. Before we start, let me give you a quick introduction so you understand exactly what this video will cover. So in this video we will break everything down in a simple way. We will go through how to access the platform, how to update your personal information, how to manage authentication details, and how to understand the core features as a beginner. This guide will make your first experience smooth, clear, and organized. Now that you know what to expect, let's continue. When working with Razor's Edge NXT, it is helpful to know a bit about Blackbaud, the company that builds and maintains the system. Blackbaud is a long-established provider of digital solutions made specifically for the nonprofit sector. Instead of general business software, their platforms are designed around fundraising workflows, donor relationship management, event planning, volunteer engagement, and long-term data reporting. Because their focus is entirely on social impact organizations, their tools follow nonprofit processes more closely than standard CRMs. To begin, open your browser and go to the official Blackbaud website. This is the starting point for accessing the platform. Once you are on the homepage, hover over the Products section. A drop-down menu will appear showing multiple Blackbaud products. Select Razor's Edge NXT from the list. This will take you to the main page dedicated to the software. On the Razor's Edge NXT page, you will see two major options. One is Request a Demo, and the other is Ask About Pricing. These options are helpful if your organization has not yet purchased the software, or if you are still evaluating it. However, if you already have access through your nonprofit, simply click the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking Sign In takes you to the login page. Here, the system gives you several authentication choices, including single sign-on, Google Login, Apple Login, and traditional email login. Select the option your organization uses. After entering your credentials, you will be redirected to the Blackbaud Welcome page, where you can manage your user profile and view your basic account information. Now let's talk about profile settings. On the top right of the page, you will see your profile icon. Click it to open the profile menu. The first section you will see is personal information. This section contains your name, email, contact details, and other basic information linked to your Blackbaud account. To make changes, click the pencil icon. This opens the editing window. Here you can update your name, email address, job title, and any other details that your organization allows users to edit. Once finished, save the changes. After personal information, the next important area is authentication details. Authentication details control how you log into your Blackbaud account. For example, you can update your password, switch to a different login method, or change your security settings. When you select authentication details, you will see options such as changing your password, adjusting authentication type, or managing the login method you selected earlier, such as Google or single sign-on. This section ensures your account stays secure and updated. If you want to modify anything, click the pencil icon, make your changes, and save. These two sections, personal information and authentication details, are the primary items beginners need to understand when setting up their account. They help ensure your contact information is accurate and your login method is secure and easy to use. Once your basic profile setup is complete, return to the main website page where Razor's Edge NXT is introduced. Scroll down to learn more about what this system can do. Razor's Edge NXT is a cloud-based fundraising and donor management platform created for nonprofits, schools, and fundraising organizations. It is designed to help users track donors, manage campaigns, organize giving history, and analyze fundraising performance. Because it is cloud-based, you can access the system from anywhere using an internet connection. On the page, you will also find an introductory video. When you watch it, you will see how Razor's Edge NXT creates complete donor profiles, tracks engagement history, and organizes giving data in a clear and useful way. These donor profiles help fundraisers understand their supporters, identify giving patterns, and plan meaningful outreach. Scrolling further down the page, you will see several highlighted features. One key advantage is its modern and clean interface. The dashboard is easy to understand, even for new users. The visual layout allows you to see your fundraising progress, donor trends, and important updates at a glance. The reporting tools in Razor's Edge NXT are another important feature. They provide access to both simple reports and advanced analytical reports. These help your organization evaluate the performance of campaigns, measure donor engagement, and track progress toward goals. The visual reports and charts make it easier for fundraisers to understand data and make decisions. The platform includes predictive analytics supported by Blackbaud Intelligence. This tool analyzes historical donor activity and helps identify supporters who may become major donors. Predictive analytics allow organizations to focus their efforts on relationships with the highest potential, improving fundraising efficiency. Another feature you will see is integration support. Raiser's Edge NXT integrates with other Blackbaud tools such as Blackbaud Financial Edge NXT, Online Express, and Luminate Online. These integrations help organizations keep their financial and fundraising data synchronized, which reduces manual work and avoids errors caused by switching between different systems. Automated workflows are also built into Raiser's Edge NXT. These workflows help automate tasks such as sending donation receipts, sending acknowledgments, and managing donor follow-up. Automating these activities helps maintain consistency and reduces the time required to handle repeated administrative tasks. You will also find information about mobile access. Since Raiser's Edge NXT is cloud-based, it works smoothly on mobile devices. Many fundraisers use their phones to look up donor information, update donation history, or check campaign progress while attending events or meeting supporters. This flexibility is an important advantage for organizations that work in the field. Continuing further down the page, you will see additional features such as data health tools, template-based email options, relationship tracking, proposal pipelines, and more. These tools support daily fundraising tasks by helping teams maintain clean donor records, create effective outreach messages, and follow a structured approach when managing major gifts. You will also see an option to download a free guide. This guide covers features, best practices, and tips for improving your fundraising workflow using Raiser's Edge NXT. To download it, provide the required details and submit the form. It is helpful for both new and experienced users. Before we end, it is important to discuss a few practical points. Raiser's Edge NXT is powerful, but it is more expensive than some other donor management platforms. Pricing is not shown publicly, so organizations must contact the Blackbaud sales team directly to receive a custom quote based on their size, needs, and licensing requirements. Some extra features, such as advanced reporting or certain integrations, may also require additional fees. Another point to be aware of is customization. Although Raiser's Edge NXT offers many built-in tools, some organizations feel that custom reports and workflows are limited compared to other CRM systems. This can be a challenge for teams that prefer flexible customization. While the system is more user-friendly than older Blackbaud software, beginners may still need time to learn the platform. Some advanced features require proper training, and depending on the issue, support response time may vary. Because of this, many users rely on Blackbaud community forums and third-party consultants for additional help. So that's basically how you can use Blackbaud Raiser's Edge NXT as a beginner. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!